Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our interface video that we added to a 2016 Lexus GS that it didn't come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Came with original 12.3-inch screen. This is same thing to do it for Lexus LX, GX, that they come with big screens and they come with jog control. So you can basically use the jog without any issues. You can navigate through the Apple CarPlay, you can go to Google Maps, you can play Spotify, everything controlling by the jog, and you can use Siri. Also, you can play videos through the USB that it comes with our interface. So by going to the main menu of our interface, selecting USB, basically you can play video.
Now your enemy is my enemy.
I go to drive.
What does he want? I know a secret finds its
As
way
I
out.
said, you can do even Android Auto without wires, basically wirelessly, that I'm going to show it to you.
There's a young lady.
And this is Android Auto connected wirelessly through the Samsung Note. It works with Samsung phones, Android 11 and up. It doesn't work with BlackBerry or Motorola or other brands. Make sure it works only for Samsung phones. If you have other ones, you can try to connect it with the wire, but wireless, you can control it perfectly fine with Samsung phones. Hey Google, go home.
Navigating to home. Head west toward Conrad Crescent.
And it retains obviously all the features that the Lexus comes with it. It retains all those things, including your navigation, your backup cameras, and other functions that you have. Nothing is changed. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or give us a call at 905-604-4294 and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you with your purchase. Thank you and have a great day.